Alright, so guys, if you watched my previous post, you will know that a divine calling gave me a divine name. So from now onwards, if you want to address me, please, the name is Kush, K to the U to the S to the H. Alright, so in today's video will be my moment of truth. I mean, what happened when I went to the WodeMaya Meet and Create. You feel me? How it all went, vibing with these top YouTubers. I mean, these awesome content creators and all. So make no waste much time. Alright, let's just get straight into today's video. It's your boy Kush on this side. Let's hit it. Alright, so guys, I know your ears are itching to know what happened, like how this whole magic thing happened, guys. Now me a day my day, like I was sleeping and I heard my phone ring in my sleep like that. I woke up, I took my phone, checked who was calling, and I was like, damn, WodeMaya. I thought it was some illusions, like I thought maybe I was getting some blurry visions because of the sleep, you feel me? So I had to stare at the phone, so the call hung up. And something said to me like, man, you should call back because you might be missing out on a golden opportunity, so just call back. Man, I didn't hesitate. I just wore a shirt, had my drag on, went outside for quality lighting, and I called again. Lo and behold, I was like, damn. Man, WodeMaya. Like, I was startled. I mean, just speechless. I didn't know what to say, so I was just screaming. I was doing like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey! So I asked him, am I dreaming? And I was like, no, you're not dreaming. You're talking to WodeMaya. Hey! Guys, that moment was priceless. That moment was something else for me. And Miss Vanessa too was by him. She was just recording the whole show and hey! Me speaking to WodeMaya. So basically, he was inviting me to the meet and create. All right. I didn't know where to get money because, frankly speaking, I had no money on me. I think the money that I had was 20 cedis in my wallet, and you know, like from Kumasi to Accra, 60 cedis. Man, Andrew baby. And I had earlier seen the flyer on Niyemo's page on Instagram. You feel me? But na me nis kanti. I decided to not attend. Man, I know that definitely I would get YouTube videos to watch and learn from what the people would learn. So as soon as he invited me, I was like, yes, I will come. Yes, I will come. Yes, I will come. I'll come. And I was like, okay. And I think he even told me to send my Momo, like my Momo number to him for him to send me some money or something. But man, any GNT, I didn't hear it. Like it wasn't even important to me like that. Man, I'm supposed to even pay him. No. So as soon as he yanked up the call, I went to pack my stuff like that. Man, went to look for my sneakers like that. I had to arrange some shirts, man, did some packing. Even before I knew where to get the money. You feel me? So I called my friend, Abwaje Collins, one foolish boy. Hey, this boy, he's so foolish like that. I called him and I told him that guy, like, I can't crash for your side, man. So you do if I prepare, give me. No, so no problem. So I told him what happened. He said, hey, really? Then come. I said, where you be? Yeah, so I made that arrangement and I told my best friend also. She was also happy for me, and man, I earlier packed my stuff like that. So I had to wait for my dad to come. I broke the news to him. He was very happy. I think that same day, I was supposed to go to the gym with him, you understand? Yes, but he asked me to not, but I should just go grab this whole thing because he knows YouTube is something I want to do. Like getting into the YouTube community is something I've been yearning for. So such opportunities shouldn't pass me by like that. So he gave me some 300 cedis to just come and then witness, like learn, you feel me? Man, I woke up around 3 a.m., prepped myself for the whole journey. So I left the house at 4, got to the bus station around 5:20, and the bus took off around 5:40. Man, it took us 600 billion years to get to Accra. I was so pissed off like that. Man, VIP. So when I got there, I took an Uber to the University of Ghana, went to my friend's hall, like to his room, changed immediately because I was running late. Man, I headed to the Menzvic Grand Hotel. They showed me the conference room, man. I went there and guess the person I saw, my main man. Hey! I was just happy because I was wanting to meet this man. Like, I just wanted to see him. You feel me? I like his vibes and the way he is humble. Let me stress on that thing, humble, man. He has always been replying my messages. Such a big act, like such a big act in the industry. Always replying messages, and I know it is not just to me. Everybody has been attesting to that fact, guys. So I was just very happy to see him. We vibed like brothers. Like, we had not seen each other before, but we vibed like we've known each other for like ages. It was magical, man. So he gave me some shout outs and he gave me the name K to the U to the S to the H. Now he added Reverend to it, Reverend Kush. So now, guys, please, I don't want any NK thing. If you see me, call me Kush. Kush is my name. Kush is the real name. The Divine Calling gave me the real name. Kush. Yeah, so let's continue. I went to sit down. I met some YouTubers. You know, Ghana Bound is run by two, as in a couple. It's run by a couple. And the man was the first person to subscribe to my channel. I didn't ask him to. I was there and was like, just input your channel name into the search engine, man. I did. He subscribed and I was like, what? That day too, let me fear before the material because guys, my internet was not working. Me borrow airtime and back. Like everything I did, but still in fact. I was like, because I didn't want people to think that I didn't want to subscribe. Internet may come up with this excuse. You know, but whoever I told you that my internet was fucking up for me, it was true. I came home and I subscribed again. So let's get back to the conference, man. We did some introductions. I saw Nubike, I saw Ama Governor, I saw Stella Chanelli. I saw so many top dogs when it comes to this industry, man. The introductions were great. Like, we did very good. Shouts to Mordine. That guy is an amazing act. Like, right here. So many people came to talk, man. So the first person to talk was Miss Vanessa Kanbi. She talked to us about monetization, like the app that she uses to create her thumbnails, her titles and everything. She told us everything, man. She spoke wisdom. You should have been there, man. So afterwards too, Kwadwo Sheldon also came, gave us wisdom, told us to build our audience. The audience are more important than the money we are going to be receiving. Getting monetized is a great thing, but we should build a solid brand. We should build a solid audience that even if you put 5 billion adverts on a video, they will stick and stay and then watch. You feel me? He taught us so many things about confidence, about not rushing into things, about not comparing ourselves to others, about being original. You feel me? Kwadwo Sheldon shared a lot and we really do appreciate it, man. And the big man himself came. WodeMaya. We vibes like we're one simple, single family. You feel me? We vibed like he talked heart to heart with us. You know, he's one person that he wants everybody to feed off this show. He wants everybody to make it from YouTube. Alright? And see, on fast you get a whole vibe. He taught us everything. And I remember there was this moment that he asked people who have been monetized to raise up your hands, and man, there were a few, and then this man was down-spirited because he felt like people are suffering in this community. So he immediately asked us to go out, do some networking, you know, like create content among ourselves. So we did exactly that, and guys, it was awesome. That was when I met Ama Governor for the first time. I liked her from afar, but me seeing her face to face, I was like, hey, seeing a superstar. And the way she was vibing with me was more or less like we've known each other for like 4,000 years, like that. You feel me? The vibe was great. She was even the first person to show me my career path. I didn't know I was doing lifestyle videos. She was the one who told me, guy, what you're doing is lifestyle videos. So do this, do that, do this, do that. Show me a few tricks, how to go by this whole YouTube thing. Man, I just love this girl. Like, the vibes in Kwano. And yeah, you should have been there. Like, you should have been in my shoes as at that time. I was in a mask, so now my attention didn't mask in him. She didn't notice anything though. And we took some pictures. I so much appreciate her. Hey. Well, we took some pictures and I went to some colleague YouTubers. We created content, we exchanged contacts and everything. It was getting late, so I had to come and I headed back to the man. So guys, my moment of truth. If you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe for me. Give me a thumbs up. Comment, share this content, please. It is really important. It is very, very important. Please share this content. Let me know your thoughts, as I said earlier on. Comments. You feel me? Yeah. So this is your boy K to the U to the S to the H. This is your boy Kush. This side. I'm out, guys. Thank you so much.